If you are looking for the perfect all-rounder laptop under the price range of 60,000 rupees, which is also very lightweight and portable, but still offer very good performance, then I might have found the perfect laptop for you. So watch the full video and I will tell you everything about it. Before starting, if you are new here and you end up liking the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give some feedback. So the laptop which I'm talking about comes from Lenovo. More specifically, Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5. This laptop has a very nice build quality. It will feel sturdy because of its aluminum build. And it looks very modern because of the small bezels. And it weighs just 1.39 kilograms. Coming to the specifications, this laptop is powered by very powerful Ryzen 7 4th generation processor. More specifically, Ryzen 7 4700U. I will not go deep into the details about this processor, but this is an octa-core CPU fabricated with 7nm process. In short, it is more powerful compared to similar Intel i7 processors. And it also comes with integrated AMD Radeon Vega 7 graphics. This integrated graphics offer similar performance as Nvidia's MX350. So if you are into casual gaming, you won't be disappointed. But if you are into heavy gaming, then I would suggest something like Asus TUF with GTX 1650, not an Ultrabook. So apart from heavy gaming, this Ryzen chip will be more than enough to handle everything you throw at it. And this Ryzen processor is paired with 8GB of DDR4 RAM, which is soldered to the motherboard, so there is no room for expansion. But this much RAM will be enough for any day-to-day tasks or even some games like Fortnite or PUBG at low or medium settings. But if you want to run something like Adobe Premiere Pro, then you should go with 16GB variant. But that's not under 60,000 rupees, so we are not going to talk about it. For storage, it has a 512GB of PCIe SSD, so like every laptop with SSD, booting times or loading times will be very quick. But like RAM, it is also non-upgradable. Coming to the display, it has a beautiful 14-inch of 1080p IPS screen, which can go up to 300 nits. Not very bright, but it is one of the brightest in this price. And as it is an IPS panel, colors or viewing angles will be very good. Next, about keyboard. It is an backlit keyboard, but like every other 14-inch laptop, it doesn't have numeric keypad. And it also has a fingerprint sensor for faster unlocking. And there's a feature called Privacy Setter, which you can use to physically block the webcam, meaning at least the webcam is hack-proof. This is something which every laptop brand should offer. Coming to the ports, there are two full-size USB 3.1, one USB Type-C, which will be used to charge the laptop, one HDMI port, one 3.5mm headphone jack, and one SD card reader. And of course, laptops comes with Windows 10 pre-installed, and you also get Microsoft Office for lifetime. So if you are someone who need to use Office frequently, this will be like cherry on the top. Now to determine if this is the best Ultrabook for the price, we need to look at the competition. So I tried to look for laptop which offers something similar. The closest option I could find is Asus VivoBook, which cost about 72,000 rupees. So overall, if you wanted to buy a powerful lightweight Ultrabook, which you can also use for casual gaming under 60,000 rupees, then this is the perfect laptop for you. But if you are a heavy gamer and don't care about weight of the laptop, there are better options out there. So that's all from my side. Thumbs up if you liked the video or thumbs down if you didn't. And let me know about your opinion in the comment section or feel free to ask any question. Thanks, I will see you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe.